Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to Na'na' School. In the last video, I introduced Excel and gave you an overview of the interface. Today we are diving into an essential topic, format in Excel. Formatting makes your data clear, organized and visually appealing. Let's jump into the Excel program and get it started. One of the first things to know about Excel is number formatting. What does number formatting do? Number formatting changes the way the data looks in your spreadsheet, but it doesn't change the actual value of the data. In other words, number formats tell your spreadsheet exactly what type of data you are using. For example, if you are working on your quarterly budget, you can use the currency number format so your numbers represent money. This will display them with a currency symbol like the dollar sign or the euro sign, but the actual number value remains unchanged. Now, how to do this? You can do this by pressing Ctrl+1 or by navigating to the ribbon, selecting the Home tab and clicking on Number Format. Now let's move to another thing. If you have a long sentence or two words that you want to display them on separate lines within the same cell, you might think of pressing Enter as you would do in Microsoft Word, but in Microsoft Excel, you will need to press Alt+Enter to break the text into a new line while staying in the same cell. If you are working with a long table and want to keep the first row, like the column headers, visible as you scroll down, use the Freeze Pans feature. Here how you can do it. Select the row you want to freeze. Go to the View tab on the ribbon. Click Freeze Pans. You can also select other options such as freezing just the top row or the first column. This ensures your table remains easy to read even with a lot of data. Okay, let's say you are creating a shared table and you want to make it organized and user-friendly. You can use data validation to limit what can be entered into the certain cells. For example, in a column for gender or title gender, you can restrict the options to male or female only. Here, how to do it. Select the cells, or in our case here, the column, where you want to apply this restriction. Go to the Data tab, then click Data Tools, and then Data Validation. In the pop-up window, choose List and type the options separated by commas, i.e. male and female. Now anyone using the table will see a drop-down with those options. Filters are a lifesaver when dealing with large datasets. They allow you to display only the data you need. Use filters to temporarily hide some of the data in the table so you can focus on the data you want to see. How to add a filter? First, highlight the first row, i.e. your headers, and then go to the Data tab, then click on Filter. Little drop-down arrows will appear in the header row, letting you filter or sort the data in each column. For example, if you have a large table and want to display only female data, you can use the filter in the gender column to show only data for females. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I would be happy to help. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video.